Before designing any structure, engineers must know what kind of loads it will face. Today, we'll learn the types of loads on structures, one of the most fundamental topics in structural engineering. What is load?
A load is any external force that a structure must safely resist. These forces act vertically, horizontally, or even dynamically, depending on environment and usage. A load is a force or weight that a structure has to support.
Types of loads on structures.
Every structure, from buildings to bridges, carries different kinds of forces called loads. Let's understand the 6 main types of loads that act on a structure: dead load, live load, wind load, snow load, earthquake load, and impact load. Let's dive in with Civil Pathshala.
Dead load.
The dead load is the self-weight of the structure itself. It includes the weight of all permanent components like beams, slabs, columns, walls, and flooring. Since these parts don't move or change over time, the dead load remains constant throughout the life of the structure. Engineers calculate this load using the density and volume of each material.
Live loads.
Live load refers to temporary or movable forces that act on a structure, such as people, furniture, vehicles, or stored materials. Unlike dead loads, live loads can change with time and usage.
Wind load.
Wind load acts horizontally on structures due to the pressure of moving air. It becomes very important for tall buildings, towers, chimneys, and bridges, where strong winds can cause bending, sway, or vibration. Wind pressure depends on the wind speed, height, shape, and exposure of the structure. The Indian standard for wind load design is as 875, Part 3.
Earthquake load.
During an earthquake, ground vibrations create horizontal and vertical forces on a structure. These dynamic forces, called earthquake loads, cause the building to sway or shake, and must be carefully resisted to ensure safety.
Snow load.
Snow load is the weight of accumulated snow on the roof of a structure. It acts vertically downward and can significantly affect structural design in snowy regions. The amount of snow load depends on factors like roof slope, snow density, and regional snowfall intensity.
Impact load.
Impact load occurs when a sudden or dynamic force acts on a structure for a very short time. Examples include the fall of a heavy object, a vehicle striking a barrier, or a crane dropping a load. These loads are much higher than static loads because of the instant energy transfer at impact. Engineers design impact-prone structures with extra safety factors to absorb this shock. Visit our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@civilpathshala-nextgen. If our content is useful to you, please like, share, comment and subscribe to promote our channel.